Now here's another rare bike. This is a 1984 Yamaha TY250, and this is the 53Y model. So this is the domestic model for the Japanese market, and of course was street legal. So it came with this lovely built-in rubber mounted rear light unit with these beautiful little indicators, a metal tank and auto lube system. Often referred to as the TY Scottish, it shared a lot of parts with the TY250R competition machine, and you can see that in a lot of places. So like we have quick release rear brake, and we have this fully enclosed front wheel, so all the mechanisms sealed, so should you get it wet it's still going to work. Now this lovely example has only covered 1,437 kilometres, which is just under 900 miles, and generally the bike feels correct for that. Things like the kickstart, usually if they've done a lot of mileage, there's a lot of slop in the joint, same with the levers and everything else, and this all feels very, very good. Now she's registered an age-related plate, and of course is MOT and road tax exempt, and is actually suitable for ULEZ, although you will have to register it with your local ULEZ authority. There are a few marks you could expect will wear, the odd chip and the odd wear marks on the plastic, but all original apart from that, and a very nice example indeed. We've just replaced the air filter and serviced it, and we've also replaced the chain guard runner, swinging arm runner for the chain, because the original one has started to crack, as they often do. And general condition, as I said, is very good. There's no evidence of crash damage. All the fins are there. The exhaust is in exceptional condition, all original. We haven't painted it, and this lovely, very thick bash plate. A very good spec bike. Now, one of the beauties of these is if you want to go trials riding, you can chuck this thing down the hill. There's no radiators to worry about. It's an air-cooled engine, and Yamaha even thoughtfully put the tank on display, so you've got low marks on the tank there. So 150cc, which is low for trials or trail, and 50cc, which is low for street riding. You know, everything's there for you. You don't have to pull everything apart. So I'm going to start this one. You'll have to bear with me. I've got completely the wrong shoes, so it might take me a couple of kicks while I just sort this out. Right. Typical two-stroke air-cooled single trials bikes, very gidding, big flywheels on these, and lovely example. I mean, we've had it, she runs beautifully and is supplied with a warranty, and will be on our website this evening, which is classicandrare.co.uk, and also on Car and Classic, and we're happy to deliver anywhere in the UK or overseas should you require. I mean, if you want to take one of these to competition, all of these items, backlight system, as you can see, it's all on a quick release system. It's designed, and these obviously have a battery as well. It's all designed to be used for both. So if you have any queries, we'd love to hear from you. And again, what a lovely air-cooled classic monoshock machine, all complete in Yamaha's classic race colours, and a real lovely thing to have, and cheap enough to keep in the back of the garage for winter riding and just plain fun.